Wonders of Kentucky. Secret places only locals know about. Travel guide. Kentucky is often imagined through the lens of bourbon, horse racing, and bluegrass landscapes. But the truth is, the state is a treasure trove of secret places that remain virtually unknown to most visitors. Picture stepping into a quiet waterfall tucked deep in the forest, wandering through an abandoned town frozen in time, or paddling along a hidden river that seems untouched by human hands. These are the spots only locals know, the places where the true heart of Kentucky reveals itself. Exploring them is not about checking off famous landmarks. It is about discovering experiences that feel intimate, authentic, and unforgettable. In this guide, we are going to uncover Kentucky's hidden gems, sharing stories, natural wonders, historic sites, and cultural experiences that most tourists never see, offering a deeper, richer connection to the state than any postcard or guidebook could provide. Red River Gorge. Back trails. While Red River Gorge is famous for its cliffs and rock formations, very few visitors know the secret trails that wind deep into the forest, leading to hidden arches, quiet waterfalls, and cliffside views that feel almost supernatural. Locals often keep these trails to themselves, knowing that these hidden pockets offer solitude that cannot be experienced on the main paths. The gorge is alive with the sounds of birds, trickling streams, and the occasional distant roar of a waterfall, creating an immersive natural symphony. Mammoth Cave. Hidden passages. Everyone talks about Mammoth Cave's main tours, but underneath lies a labyrinth of passages that few ever explore. These hidden sections are where limestone formations twist in unexpected ways, underground rivers carve their own secret paths, and chambers glimmer with unseen calcite deposits. Locals and dedicated spelunkers know that wandering slightly off the typical routes, under guided supervision, provides an entirely different perspective on this subterranean wonder. It is quiet, almost otherworldly, and full of the kind of geological storytelling that makes you realize how ancient and alive Kentucky truly is beneath the surface. Shaker Village of Pleasant Hill. Secrets. Shaker Village is often visited for its restored buildings and museums, but beyond the main paths, there are quiet corners where the Shaker philosophy of simplicity and harmony is most palpable. Hidden gardens, secluded riverbanks, and lesser-known workshops allow visitors to glimpse the rhythms of Shaker life that have remained intact for centuries. Locals sometimes lead small groups to areas where the original craftsmanship is still visible in intricate woodwork or communal tools, revealing a level of detail that the main tours cannot fully convey. Experiencing these hidden spaces gives insight into a community that lived intentionally, blending aesthetics, practicality, and spirituality into every part of life. Cumberland Falls at dawn. Cumberland Falls is known as the Niagara of the South, but seeing it at sunrise from a hidden vantage point transforms the experience entirely. The early morning light catches the mist, turning it into a cascade of gold and silver, while quiet trails reveal smaller, unnoticed waterfalls along the main gorge. Local hikers know these paths, which provide intimate views of the gorge and a chance to hear the falls roar uninterrupted by crowds. Beyond the beauty, the falls create a sense of serenity and timelessness that makes it easy to forget the outside world. Experiencing Cumberland Falls in this way is like finding a secret part of Kentucky that feels suspended in magic, reserved for those who are patient enough to discover it. Land between the lakes. Hidden corners. The land between the lakes. National Recreation Area is often thought of as a spot for family outings or scenic drives, but locals know the true magic lies off the beaten path. Secret fishing holes, quiet picnic areas, and trails that wind through dense forests reveal wildlife in ways that feel personal and exclusive. Elk, bison, and deer roam these hidden corners, and kayaking along secluded stretches of the lakes offers a perspective that standard tourist routes cannot provide. It is a place where adventure meets tranquility, where the natural rhythm of Kentucky's wildlands can be experienced without distraction, showing that the state's beauty is not limited to what's on a map. Lost River Cave. Beyond the main tour. While many visitors take the boat tour at Lost River Cave, the surrounding hills and back trails offer hidden experiences that make the cave feel like an entirely different world. Small waterfalls, limestone formations, and secret nooks provide exploration opportunities that highlight the cave's geological diversity. Local guides sometimes share stories about the river's underground channels, giving visitors a glimpse into how the cave shaped the land and the communities around it. It is both educational and immersive, offering a rare chance to explore Kentucky's subterranean beauty in a way that feels personal and adventurous. Shanty Hollow Lake. Hidden trails. Shanty Hollow Lake is a favorite among locals seeking quiet and adventure. Overgrown trails and abandoned concrete structures create an eerie yet fascinating atmosphere, while the calm waters provide opportunities for kayaking or fishing away from the crowds. History seems to linger here, from the forgotten ruins to the wildlife reclaiming the land, creating a sense of timeless exploration. Hikers can wander paths that reveal secret viewpoints over the lake, or pause in shaded groves where the only sound is wind through the trees. Shanty Hollow is a blend of natural beauty, mystery, and history, a secret corner of Kentucky that feels like stepping into another era. Hidden waterfalls of the Daniel Boone National Forest. Beyond the well-known overlooks of the Daniel Boone National Forest are hidden waterfalls that require a bit of local knowledge to find. Narrow trails, often shaded by dense forests, lead to cascades spilling over mossy rocks into quiet pools. These spots feel untouched, as if the forest itself is guarding them from mass tourism. The combination of hiking, discovery, and natural beauty makes visiting these hidden waterfalls a full sensory experience, with the sounds of rushing water, birdsong, and leaves rustling in the wind creating a natural symphony. Bourbon Trail. Hidden distilleries. Kentucky's Bourbon Trail is famous, yet off the main route, family-run distilleries remain hidden gems. These smaller operations often welcome visitors personally, offering unique tastings, hands-on experiences, and insights into methods passed down through generations. Unlike larger distilleries, these secret stops reveal the artistry, dedication, and nuance behind bourbon production. Local enthusiasts know which distilleries have the most authentic tours, the rarest batches, or the most intimate experiences. Exploring these hidden distilleries allows visitors to appreciate Kentucky's bourbon culture in its truest form, authentic, personal, and steeped in history. Big South Fork. Backcountry trails. Big South Fork National River and Recreation Area is often visited for rafting and popular trails, but its backcountry paths are where locals go for true adventure. These hidden trails wind through gorges, past old railroads, and along rivers where wildlife thrives undisturbed. Hiking here requires patience, but the reward is private encounters with nature. Waterfalls cascading into hidden pools, deer grazing along the trail, and birdsong filling the quiet air. These backcountry areas offer a deeper, more immersive experience of Kentucky's landscape, showing that adventure does not require crowds, maps, or guides, just curiosity and a willingness to explore. Like, subscribe, and share this guide to help more travelers uncover the hidden wonders that only locals know, experiencing the real heart of Kentucky.